Is that a bird building a nest, Duggee?
A wolf.
Ooh.
What? Go!
Bless you, Duggee.
Huh? Woof, woof, woof.
Oh, that's nice, Duggee. You and the squirrels will build them a new nest.
A wolf.
Jolly good. So, squirrels, what do you think we need to make a bird's nest?
Sticks! Sticks!
Mr. and Mrs. Bird, don't be upset. Duggee and the squirrels are making you a new nest.
Here, and here. Rolling.
Shall we see how they're getting on, Duggee? Wow, squirrels! What a lovely nest you've built.
Nest!
Do you like your new nest, Mr. and Mrs. Bird? Just time for one more thing.
Duggee hug!
Oh.
Duggee hug.